first of all, see the practical of filtering. Here one table is given in your book. This is the same table from your book. Chennai Super Kings, name of the player and country is given. Okay, that means Palani Amarnath belongs to India. Okay, so like this, there are 11 players and the country name is given. First of all, we see the topic filtering, how to apply the filtering. So before applying the filtering, first of all, you have to select this table. Okay, you have to select this table first. After selecting, you have to click on the data tab and then click on filter option. Here filter option is given, you have to click in this filter option. Okay, when you click this filter option, you will get one arrow mark here. So you see there are 5 players belongs to India. So if we want to see only the Indian player, you have to apply filter. Now click in this arrow. Here see select all is given. That means now we see the players from all country. Okay, now we have to see only Indian. Okay, so remove this select all and click only India and click on OK. Now you see the players belongs to India country only. Okay, if you want to see one more country players, then you also click here Australia and click OK. Now we see the players belongs from India and Australia. Okay, now if you want to remove this filter option, you click again in filter. So your filter is removed and you now see the whole table. I hope you all clear what is filter. Actually, the filter feature of Excel separates the information as required from the given set of list. Here many countries are given, but we want only Indian players, so we select only India. Okay, if we want Australia, then we select both India and Australia. Okay, now see the advanced filter. For advanced filter, we have one more table, that is your when we learn the first topic, that is sorting, we see this same table, popular Indian ODI batsman. So in this table we apply advanced filter. Okay, now what is advanced filter? First of all, you see what is advanced filter. It is given in your book in page number 26. In the after the table 3.10, you can see the second line, that is there is another feature called advanced filter feature. It is demonstrated well in step in figure 3.11. For example, if you want to see the list of players who have scored more than 150 and have scored less than 17 centuries, you can use this feature. That means if we want to see according to some conditions, suppose we want to see the players who have scored more than 150, means highest score more than 150 and the century is less than 15. Okay, we will take 15. If the century is less than 15, then what will be the result? What will be the answer? What will be the table? Okay, now see how to apply advanced filtering. First of all, you make one table, any table. It is not necessary that you have to take only this table. You can take any table, you can make any one. Okay, so our first step is, first of all, you take this heading part. You have to copy this heading part and paste anywhere. Okay, paste it anywhere. Suppose I'll paste here in A15. Okay, I've pasted here in A15. Now I have to apply the condition. The highest score will be greater than equals to 150 according to me. The highest score I will take greater than equals to 150 and the century is less than 15. Those who are having less than 15 century, it will display only that names. Okay, so apply the advanced filter here. So before applying the advanced filter, first of all, you have to select this table. After selecting the table, you have to go to data tab. Then in the next step, you have to click on advanced filter. Now here in advanced filter, there is first one is action. Okay, filter the list in place. That means in place of this, we will get the filtered table. We don't want like this. We have to copy the filtered list in another location. So we have to click on copy to another location. Okay. Now list range. List range, that means you have to select the range. Our range is from A2 to E12. So it is written already A2 to E12. Okay. Now criteria range. Our criteria is given. Our criteria is given from A15 to E16. Okay. So we have to select our criteria range, that is A15 to E16. Now copy to where? We have to copy our filtered list in A17. So select A17. Okay. Now if the record is repeated, then you should click on unique record only. Then if any single record is repeated again and again, then when you click on unique record only, it will show you only one time. Okay, but here no, that type of condition is not here, so we will not click on unique record only. Okay, now click on OK button. Now you see what is your result here. Mahendra Singh Dhoni 183. See the score. We will apply the condition that only show the players who are having more than 150 or equals to 150 score. Okay. Now see here, more than 150. Here more than 150 is that Sachin Tendulkar, Mahendra Singh Dhoni. I have highlighted this one so that you can clear more. See this 200, then Mahendra Singh Dhoni 183, that is greater than your 150. Then 153 is greater than 150, then 183 is greater than 150, then over. Okay, but here only two records shown, that is Mahendra Singh Dhoni and Rahul Dravid. Why only two records? Now see the next your century part. Okay, so we apply the formula, that is whose century is less than 15. Less than 15. So see, it is greater than 15. This one is less than 15. So we highlight this one. Now less than 15 is this Yuvraj Singh. Okay, now this 2. Ajinkya Rahane. Then less than 15 is Rahul Dravid. Now VVS Lakshman. Now Mohammad Kaif and Suresh Raina. Okay, these all are below 15. Now we applied here two conditions, that is score is greater than 150 and century is less than 15. When both the conditions applied, when both the conditions are true, then only it will show in the filtered table. Okay, here Sachin Tendulkar 200, but score is not, that means century is not less than 15, that's why it will not shown you. Here Mahendra Singh Dhoni having score more than 150 and century is less than 15, that's why Mahendra Singh Dhoni is in the filtered list. Now Virat Kohli is not capable because his century is more than 15. Now Yuvraj Singh having not having highest score above 150. Ajinkya Rahane also not in the criteria. Now Rahul Dravid having highest score, that is more than 150, and the century is also less than 15, so that it is in the filtered list. Okay, now Saurav Ganguly having highest score but not having the century part. Okay, now these three are not having highest score but having this century part. Okay, in the list of century. So it will show us only that datas where both the conditions are applied. Okay, so here Mahendra Singh Dhoni and Rahul Dravid are the two players which comes under our criteria. That's why only two players are in the filtered list. Hope you all clear this topic, filtering and advanced filtering. Okay.